Welcome to the ports and shipping news from Visakhapatnam. To enhance trade at Chabahar port in Iran, Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust and Deen Dayal Port are offering discounts on vessel and cargo related charges as per the Ministry of Ports and Shipping and Waterways. Located in Sistan Balochistan province on the energy rich Iran's south coast, the port is being developed by India, Iran, and Afghanistan to boost trade ties. Chabahar port lies outside the Persian Gulf and easily accessed from India's west coast bypassing Pakistan. To promote Shahid Beheshti port of Chabahar, Iran, Jawaharlal Port Trust and Deen Dayal Port are providing discounts on vessel related charges and cargo related charges for the vessels going and arriving from Shahid Beheshti according to ministry. For the past 6 months, a 50% of discount on terminal handling charges for transit containers has also been granted. The flow of bulk cargo is steady. Transit cargo from Afghanistan is now picking up. The shipping line has assured us of weekly consensus volumes are on the rise as per the document from the Ministry of Port and Shipping and Waterways. Owing to the challenges in activation of a main agreement pertaining to Chabahar port, a formal short lease interim contract between India and Iran was signed on May 6, 2018 with the incorporation of an Iranian SPV, Ports Global Chabahar Free Zone, for its implementation. The terms and conditions of this contract are different than the 10 years agreement. Under this contract, Indian Ports Global Chabahar Free Zone took over the operations at berth length of 360 meters at Shahid Beheshti port on 5th and 18. IPGCFZ handled its first cargo on 30th December 2018, the document said. Till January 31st, 2021, about 123 vessels have berthed at terminal at IPGCFZ handle approximately 13,752 TEUs and 18 lakhs tons of bulk and general cargo, it added. Efforts are on improve the traffic at Chabahar port. The short lease contract has since been renewed till 25th, 2021. We are now positioned over 1,240 meters berth length and 70 hectares of backup area. 4 post Panamax vessels can now simultaneously berth at our terminal as per the shipping ministry document. The ministry also said Concor has proposed to commence shipping service from the east and west coast of India to terminal in Moscow via Shahid Beheshti port using International North-South Transport Corridor route. This will be under multimodal using sea leg till Chabahar and thereafter by road and or rail. It is under their internal approvals as per the document. On May 6, 2015, a ministerial level memorandum of understanding on Chabahar Shahid Beheshti port was signed between India and Iran, and the historic agreement was executed on May 23, 2016 in Tehran during the visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The pact was signed between Arya Bandar Iranian Port and Marine Service Company ABI of Iran and Indian Ports Global Limited SPV formed by Ministry of Shipping in January 2015 for the development of phase 1 of Shahid Beheshti port of Chabahar. As per the contract terms, India has to equip and operate 2 terminals in phase 1 at cost of 85 million US dollars, and after activation of the main contract, India will operate Sahidi Bista port of Chabahar for 10 years. In January, India supplied a consignment of two mobile cranes to the Chabahar port, having a total contract value of over 25 million US dollars. Additional Secretary, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways Sanjay Bandyopadhyaya said two more cranes are standing for loading near the port near Venice, which will reach by March end to this port, while another two will reach by June end. Bandyopadhyaya said after mobile harbor cranes are delivered, there are plans to produce rail mounted cranes for which bidding is going on. Since 2017, he has said India had sent a consignment of 1.1 lakh tons of wheat, pulses, and other assistance is over 4,800 containers to Afghanistan through the Chabahar port. The bilateral contract between Iran and India was signed on May 23, 2016, with a total value of 85 million US dollars for equipping, mechanizing, and starting operations at the port under the first phase. In this regard, a special purpose vehicle, Indian Ports Global Limited, Mumbai, was incorporated under the Shipping Ministry. The government in February last year had approved the exemption of Indian Ports Global Limited for Department of Public Enterprises guidelines for smooth execution of the Chabahar Port project. Indian Port Global Limited was incorporated as a special purpose vehicle jointly promoted by Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust and Deen Dayal Port Trust for the development and management of Sahabista Port of Chabahar. Subsequent to withdrawal of United States from the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action, the External Minister advised the Shipping Ministry on October 29, 2018 to execute JNPT and DPT for the proposal impact of US sanctions. The development of Chabahar port will help the expansion of economic and mutual relations between India and Iran, as well as given a further boost to the maritime trade between the two countries. The location of Chabahar was a strategic advantage and high potential to provide connectivity between India, Iran, Afghanistan, Uzbekistan, and other Commonwealth of Independent States countries, especially Eastern CIS nations, and boost trade. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.